How are
I'm absolutely fine, ma'am. How are you?
how the things are going on with you? What are you doing?
Right now, ma'am, I'm in sales. I'm doing sales in Birla Sun Life as a advisor and
Birla
that
Sun Life, a cement company?
insurance. No, the insurance one.
Okay, the insurance one. All right.
Yeah,
So, how long have you been working with this company?
it's about now it has been almost 5 years. I'm working with them
All
and
right.
it's going
Are you
pretty good.
all right? That's great.
Yeah, yeah.
Are you
But
satisfied with your job?
no, ma'am, actually, I'm not satisfied and I'm thinking of switch it off to something else. I'm planning to do
Okay.
something else right now.
What something else?
Ma'am, something is craving me a lot, that is share market.
All right. But
Yeah,
it's very risky, no?
yeah, it's very risky, but it's kind of calculation. If your calculation is good, if your study is good, then you can do well. Because I have tried sometimes, even I do trading by myself. So
All
now I'm
right.
thinking to make it my profession. But let's see what will happen.
All right. I wish you
Yeah,
good luck. Would you please like to introduce yourself a little bit?
yeah. My name is Lucky, by the way, Lucky Panda. I'm from Raigad. It's in Chhattisgarh. Have you heard Chhattisgarh, the state?
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know Chhattisgarh.
Yeah, I'm from Chhattisgarh, Raigad.
All
Have
right.
you heard about Raigad?
No, actually, I know
Ah,
Chhattisgarh, but I don't know about Raigad.
yeah. It's have you heard Raipur and Bilaspur? I think they are the main city of Chhattisgarh.
Maybe
Yeah. You are from I think
Haryana.
from here. Oh,
Haryana.
Haryana.
Yeah,
Okay. Which city?
I'm living in Gurugram.
Gurugram. Oh, good. Haryana means I'm sure that you know Navin Jindal.
Naveen Jindal,
Yeah.
any political person?
Yeah, he's a political person as well as a businessman.
Oh, then I'm not interested in political.
Nah, he's a businessman also,
Maybe.
and he's very well known in Chhattisgarh.
It can be, but I don't know about him.
Okay, because he has set up his plant over here. He's an
All right.
industrialist. That's why we
All
all know
right.
him. Yeah.
All right. So, how
So,
about your English speaking journey? How have you learned English? Your English is pretty fine.
oh, thank you, ma'am. Actually, I have not learned English, ma'am, but I just want to know where I stand. Actually, I want to know my potential. That's why I thought that I should talk to you because so that
All
I will
right.
know that what my potentials are. Actually, one of my friend told about you. You know him, I think, Gurudev Malakar.
The Malakar. I think I've talked
Yeah,
him.
you have talked. Yeah, you have talked him some days before, and
A
he's my
Zomato
friend.
boy, I think.
Yeah. He's a Zomato boy.
All
He lives in
right.
Bilaspur.
All right.
Yeah,
All right. Yeah. I talked to him one day. Yeah.
yeah. So he told me about you, and I think you will be the best who will tell me, and for which I can got to know that what potential do I have. That's why I have called you.
No, your English is pretty fine. Your basics are clear. Your tenses and you can frame the sentence, your vocabulary, everything is fine.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. That's why I've called you. Actually, the problem is here, na, where I live, na, no communication in English happens in the atmosphere of
This
my
is the
where I
same
live.
problem with everyone. With me
Hmm.
also, our atmosphere, we speak totally purely Haryanvi. Okay, so there is
Yeah,
no one with who I can practice my English to. So this is the
yeah.
common problem with everyone. Like we stands at a same level in this thing.
Nah,
I
but
also don't.
your English is very great, ma'am.
It's just because of practice. I have been practicing since lockdown. That's why.
Oh. How you do practice, ma'am? Means only by talking, or you prefer any book or anything else?
No, by book you never can learn English. Like if you have any grammatical issues, then you can go with the books. But how you can learn speaking by a book? No,
Yeah, that can be only
you
done by
can learn.
speaking.
Yeah, just only by practicing. If you have somebody with who you can talk to, then definitely go
Yeah,
with that. It will give
that
you more benefit.
I think that will be the best.
Yeah, it is the best part. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Yes. Ma'am. So tell me about you, ma'am. What do you do, by the way, matlab? Do you have any profession or?
Yes, I'm a teacher here.
Oh, you are a teacher. Wow,
I'm
that's
a
great,
teacher,
ma'am.
and I'm an English teacher.
Oh, wow. Means ki in government firm or any private institute?
No, in a private institute.
Okay, okay, okay. Oh, that's very great, ma'am. You are a teacher, and then if you are a teacher, I'm a student of yours.
No.
Oh,
Oh, no, it's not like that. If we are learning something from someone, then everybody is teacher here. All right, we need to have that kind of attitude that we should learn everything from
yeah,
everyone. I never
yeah.
consider myself a teacher. I always consider myself a learner.
Wow, that's great. That's great. That's great.
And I never feel shame if there is someone who can tell me something, then
Hmm.
I take it in a positive way. Like in my
Yeah,
school also, if any student wants to tell me anything, I take it in a positive way, and I really appreciate that way.
yeah. One should open to all. That's great.
Yeah, definitely. It's
Mm-hmm.
not all about that teacher is a like teacher know everything. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so
Mm-hmm.
there are so many things we also learn from others.
Yeah, that's good. That's true. That's true. So, what is the condition of corona over there, ma'am? What about corona?
Actually, corona is like it's like a second wave. It's everywhere. I think in your city
Yeah.
also. So this is the same
Yeah, yeah.
condition here also. Schools may
Actually,
shut
our
down again.
yeah, it seems like because our state is at second number when it comes to the cases
Yeah,
per day. We are at the second number. First is I think Maharashtra, and we are just
yeah.
behind the
First is the
Maharashtra.
Maharashtra and Delhi. We are very close to Delhi, so
Okay.
here also the condition is very bad.
Oh. So,
We
what do
are
you
just
think? What will
waiting for the
happen?
government to order. Yeah, we are just waiting for the government to order us that just to stay at home and again to start the same process that online classes.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So, offline classes are going on over there. You are
Not
going to
yet
school.
now. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
right now we are going to school, but it may can close anytime.
Okay, 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 okay. So, but
What
corona has
about there? Are
affected
the
a lot of
schools
people.
open there?
No, ma'am, not yet. Not yet.
Oh, right. All right.
Only
That's
10th and
great.
12th classes were open for some days, but after that, they have also been closed.
Here schools are opening like it's been 2 months here. We are going
Oh,
to
okay. But corona has affected a lot of people. Then
everybody,
you can
not
say
lot of. It has affected
every,
everyone.
yeah, actually every, yeah. So many of the, so many of them have lost their jobs. So many of them
Many
lost their
people,
life.
and yeah, many people have lost their job. They are living a miserable. Like we cannot think how uh, bad situation they are going through. We even cannot imagine. Like we have
Yeah,
everything. We have food. We have roof over our
shelter.
head. So we
Yeah,
even cannot imagine what the situation they are going through.
yes, ma'am. It's very difficult.
Yeah. So how it has affected you? Like, do you take it in a positive way or like it's a negative way? What do you think?
Ma'am, it has both positive and negative waves. We can say that because when lockdown started, we have to stay at home. So
All right.
what if you will ask me what is the positive side of the lockdown is that I can say that I have got the time to invest in me. I have
Hmm.
done certain
That's the
things
best
like
part.
yeah, I have done certain things like reading books.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes I have taken towards meditation also, but I have not succeeded yet.
Oh,
Yeah, but
meditation is something like it's beyond me. I cannot do meditation. Can you concentrate to even a single minute?
no, not a single minute. I have done the maximum amount of time which I have given was 5 to 6 seconds only. After that, I give
Yeah.
up all the time.
Mm-hmm.
It's not
Yeah. It
easy,
happens
but
with
it's
me
not.
also. Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
not
It's
easy.
it's not easy, but we can say that we should do meditation, ma'am.
We must do. Yeah, I
Hmm.
agree. But I cannot do. Whenever I try to like, I try to keep the thoughts away from my mind. It comes more than ever. I
Yeah,
feel
yeah.
like
Such
they
thing
are just
happens.
pouring on me. So
Yeah,
it's
yeah, yeah.
not. my, like, it's out of me. I cannot do meditation. I've tried many times, but I think that
Yeah,
I cannot do.
yeah, that is true. But initially, we have to face all of these things. Then only we can succeed in doing meditation. And once we are able to do that, ma'am, it will.
Yeah, that is great. That is
That is
great
great.
for one.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Because one of somewhere I think I have read that one should give 10% of one day to the body. Means कि we should give 2 hours and 40 minutes to our body, but we are not even giving, I think, two
We
minutes
don't
to
have
our
a
body.
single minute. Yeah, no, not a single
Yeah,
minute to spend with
to the
ourselves.
body.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that is true.
that is true. So
So
we
what
should
kind
give.
of,
So,
yeah, what kind of books do you like to read?
ma'am, generally, which are kind of romantic books, I love to read. Kind of tragedical stories, suspense stories.
Okay.
Let me tell you, ma'am, I have started reading novels of Chetan Bhagat.
Okay.
That kind of writer I can relate very soon.
You
And
like, okay.
yeah, I like Chetan Bhagat. Revolution 2020, One Night at a Call Center. These are the novels of Chetan Bhagat which I have read, and I enjoyed a lot. Yeah. Means the
Right.
way there are lots of writers. I think you also know that there are lots of writers, but what
I know,
attracts
I've
me?
done my master's in literature.
Oh my God, yeah. Tell me one thing, ma'am. You have done your graduation in English literature.
My master's, yeah.
Acha, you have done masters in MA in sorry in English literature.
Yeah, in English literature.
Okay, that's great, ma'am. Let me tell you one thing, ma'am. I am also towards my masters, and I have also chosen English literature. I have done my
Oh,
graduation in
God.
literature.
If you
So
are interested in, then go for it. Otherwise, just quit it. You can go for any other subject like English literature. I don't like English literature. I wanted to do my PhD. Like why
okay.
I did my MA in English,
Mm-hmm.
because some of my friends were doing MA literature, so
Okay.
I just went with them. Right? It was not my choice ever.
Choice.
And
Uh-huh.
yeah, I'm always interested in linguistic more than literature.
Okay.
All right, was
Okay.
linguistic. Finding the linguistic university is not easy in India. I think there are only few university who provide you doing your
Hmm.
MA in linguistic, right?
Linguistic
So
only.
I just
Yeah,
went
yeah.
with my friends, and that's why I had no interest in literature. That's why I didn't do my PhD. Otherwise, I always wanted to be a
Hmm.
PhD holder. I always wanted to put doctor before my name.
No,
Yeah,
I
that
actually
was a
why.
blunder that I created, like, with myself.
Okay, 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 okay. Now, I have
Yeah.
done because I have a lot of interest in English since my childhood.
Not in English. I'm also interested in English. Like, if you are
It's
doing English in literature, then you
literature.
must be interested in literature.
Literature. Yeah, yeah. I've seen the books. They are totally different from the lot of difference between English and English literature. By the way, yeah, you're correct.
Yeah, there is nothing about language. It's all about
Yeah,
the
yeah,
writers, poems, and the
yeah,
prose, everything. Yeah.
yeah, yeah. That's a kind of literature is a different universe where we are not living. By the
Yeah.
way.
And
Yeah.
people, like, I've seen many people who are very, like,
Mm.
very have deep knowledge about literature. They are kind of
Yeah.
like, they're like out of world. Don't you feel?
Yeah, yeah. That is true.
They
That
are
is
kind
true.
of
Yeah,
crazy, man.
yeah. They are
They
not
they do
normal.
not live. Yeah, they are not normal. They're totally abnormal. They live in a,
Yeah.
like, another world.
Another world. Yeah, that's true. But because literature is something else, ma'am, that's why we have to be bit of mad
It's
if
it's
we are.
it's very deep. It affects our mind a lot
Yeah, yeah. Literature.
if
Yeah.
you read it deeply.
Mm-hmm. Nah, that's true. That's true. Throughout
I
my
have
graduation, I have done that.
like one or two mentor. All
Okay.
right, they have done their PhD in English, and whenever I talk to them, I feel like, oh my God, how mad the person is.
Yeah. Their
Because they
English
live in
might
a
be of.
unrealistic world.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I think, ma'am, literature, the subject literature, whatever I have experienced it, it's totally, matlab, literature language takes you to the imagination land.
And
You have to
imagination. Yeah.
imagine, you have to understand whatever they are thinking because they have written all the things which they have imagined or they have lived. So it's, I
Right.
think it's game of imagination. If we are good at imagination, then I think we
Hmm.
can. and the words of literature are something beyond imagination,
So,
beyond
yeah,
knowledge.
what is your interesting genre? Like you like poems more than prose, or you like prose than more than poems?
Ma'am, prose are better than poems because
Really?
I can. That is the difficult part of literature, that you have to enter to their zone,
Yeah.
and once we are in, then we are okay with it. But that is the difficult part, and I'm also not able to do that.
All right.
So,
Me also.
but
I also have the
yeah,
same problem.
yes, ma'am. So, what's the routine of yours, ma'am? Suppose you are not going to school, then what do you do?
So right now we are going, but I'm telling you that we can get the order to stay home many times. But right now we are going to school. So just
Okay.
in the morning I just finish like normal household chores and then I go to school. Then I come back at 1:30.
Mhm. Okay. So, what are your hobbies, ma'am?
My hobby learning grammar.
Oh, learning grammar is a hobby. That's great.
Yeah, this is my
Okay.
hobby. You can say I have a very deep knowledge in grammar. I'm very interested in grammar.
Wow.
And you can say I love to spend time with myself. And
Okay.
obviously now, yeah, and shopping like it's
Oh,
my girl.
yeah, yeah. That's the all the females.
All girls, yeah.
All men. I'm not a single girl who loves shopping.
So there is always a common problem with girls. They have so many clothes, a full
Yeah.
clothes of clothes, but they never have anything to wear.
Yeah, that's always
That's
happening
really
in the
cool. Yeah, this is a common problem with everyone.
yeah, yeah, yeah. So your hobbies are reading grammars, into grammar. Wow.
Yeah, I'm
That
very
is,
interested.
that is a great hobby, and let me tell you, that's a unique one also. You have a very unique hobby, by the way.
Thank you so much. Even if I have so, like a normal kind of hobby is watching movies and like listening songs.
Yeah.
I can like watching movies and listening songs about my hobby.
Okay. You don't like me also?
No, I don't like movies at all. I really watch movies. Very rarely. I just hate sitting in the theater for 3 hours just like doing nothing, just focusing on the screen and watching videos all the time. I don't know.
Okay, okay, okay. Actually, I love movies.
I just gone to the theater to watch a movie. I think hardly twice or thrice in my life.
Okay. Only 2 or 3 times.
Only twice or thrice, yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
You have missed great things, ma'am. Let me tell you. Bollywood movies.
But I don't like it at all.
There are some movies that are very fantastic. You should watch them.
Maybe. I watch, but I watch like watching movies by the time. But though I watch movies, I really only there are few movies I watch. Like
Yeah,
the
actually,
theater,
don't
that
like
was the most boring thing for me to sit in the theater for 3 hours. Many times, like when once I went with my brother, so I just slept there. The movie was going on, I was sleeping.
You don't like movies, by the way.
No, 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 no. I went for my brother already had booked some tickets for me. So he said that the tickets will go like waste to one movie with us. Then I had to go, but I had no interest in movies, so I just sleep there.
Okay. You take the answer.
Yeah.
That is also good. That is very entertaining.
But it's not right to spend time. You spend money for just sleeping there. It's better to sleep home.
I don't, yeah, yeah. Sleeping at theater, giving money, that is not good.
Yeah. So I just never go just for watching movie. I like to do shopping. I go there for shopping.
Okay, okay. Shopping
I
also
like
good.
it's what I know. It's like that.
What you don't like actually, they're my hobbies. I love to watch movies, I love to hear songs, I love to travel.
Alright.
I think what you hate, I love.
Just watch it. Just watch it.
That's my hobby, yeah. Yes, yes.
Alright. Okay. Yes. Now you can have this kind of hobby. You don't even like movies. I'm gonna say I'm just old kind of person. I don't like movies at all.
Yeah, you are not odd, you can say you are unique.
Not unique, but usually I have that kind of hobby and that kind of routine. Like it's something different from others. Like
Yeah, that's why I'm saying, because your hobbies or interests, that is what makes you kind
it's
of,
different from others.
yeah, yeah, yeah. That's good. Being different is good.
Yeah.
Top is not always crowded, it's bottom is crowded. Top is always empty. So you are at top, not at the bottom.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yeah.